Let's roll.
I'll catch up with you. Oh hell, that was a rebel.
Buckle up, people.
Go ahead without me.
Open fire. Cartel Sicarios are engaging. Where the hell do they come from? Out of the car, now. Don't make this hard.
Avisamos que los refuerzos ya vienen.
Take cover.
That's a kill.
Ya están por llegar los refuerzos. Eliminen a esa gente de inmediato.
Sorry about this, brother, but I gotta have the car. Out.
DJ Perico en la casa, and we're talking about this trend that a lot of you out there are taking up. For years, nobody out there getting their highness name tattooed on their necks. Had Leche tatted on their neck, but then they broke up, and he had a C.
You guys ready? Fire.
Cartel Sicarios.
But I digress. We're talking this trend among all you
Your LT's.
to get media and this media for no reason tatted on your neck. Now, I don't know what the beauty queens or something's about.
Sniper's got us targeted. Fuck, we got mortars incoming!
Hang on, I'll drive.
Yo, whatever you're doing, stop it right now. And listen, you recording from El Sueño.
You have been suffered the same hardships, accomplished the same successes as your male co-workers. You always be seeing travelers who walk their way up the ranks. Stop me from getting what I chingada madre want. And I'm telling you, do the same damn thing. It's the only way a woman can win in our world. And if you live a life like ours, if you don't win, you're fucking dead. So even if being a bad morra doesn't feel true, if you act like it is, enough people will believe it that it will become the truth.
Una novedad hasta ahora. Mantengan la búsqueda. El enemigo ha retrocedido. Todas las unidades regresen a su patrullaje normal. Estamos bajo el fuego de armas militares y no sabemos cuántos son. Ya vienen en camino tropas de apoyo.
Shit, we got a sniper. That was a civilian jackass.
Out of the car, now. Don't make this harder than it has to be.
meet you there.
Sorry about this, brother, but I gotta have the car. Out.
I'll catch up with you.
You have paid your dues, suffered the same hardships, accomplished the same successes as your male co-workers, but because you are a woman, you will always be seen as la trapadora who fucked her way up the ranks of the cartel. This is Nidia Flores, and orgullosas buchonas, plebes, you know who you are. And respected woman in the cartel. And I always answer.
Let's roll.
I act like I ain't afraid of nothing. Like I have the biggest huevos in the...
Out of the car, now. Don't make this harder than it has to be. Ready? Fire, fire, fire!
Who need that chopper? Stay low.
Sorry about this, brother, but I gotta have the car. Out.
Move out. I'm on your 6. There's a Sicario over here. watch for civilians. We don't want to kill somebody. We're cool. We're cool.
Es hora de relajarse. Es hora de dejarse consentir. Es hora de sentir la naturaleza y vivir los encantos del paraíso. Lo esperamos en Paraíso Aguadente. Lujo y confort de alto nivel, solo para usted, que sí sabe cómo disfrutar la vida.
Fire.
Copy that.
I asked Pakatari to send us a vehicle.
I'm in. Let's go.
Ready? Fire, fire, fire.
I'm opening fire. Good to go.
Trembling bundles of fur, curious and afraid, as they faced the dusty wind of the desert. El Coyote looked at me and smiled, tongue wagging. Then he turned to the pups, and he ate them. He swallowed them whole as the Titan promised ate his children, the gods. After the bloodless slaughter, the Coyote lay down on his side, his belly engorged with the meal of his op.
Hang on, I'll drive.
Progeny.
Sacrifice a day to look so fucking fine.
That's very sweet of you, mi rey.
Go on
So
with
tell me
Tom.
about this new charity I keep hearing about.
Of course. This is basically a way for us to help pay back the community. We find this.
Let's go. Ready? Open fire.
I copy. set. Let's go.
Ready? Fire, fire, fire.
Copy.
Fire.
Roger.
Sure are a lot of lights and switches up here.
Targets in the vehicle.
Let's go. Fire.
Roger. Go ahead, I'll meet you.
Out of the car, now. Don't make this harder than it has to be.
Move out. I'm on your 6.
DJ Perico en la casa. With el cerebro.
Sorry about this, brother, but I gotta have the car. Out.
The drug subs! Now this is like super spy James Bond type shit. With all the Coast Guard and the surveillance planes, fucking satellites, you need high-tech gadgets and
Let's
computer
go.
shit to be a player in the smuggling game. And what can I say? These subs get me wet, boy. Now, back to my música alterada with another non-stop block of songs.
Looks like the rebels just kicked some ass.